Folks, we're in Montrose, Colorado. We have this little GENIE S40 lift that we're going to put up on auction time for this gentleman. Guys, he bought this a couple years ago, used it to build some sheds that he wanted built. He's done with that now, pretty much, and so we're going to sell it. Now, he did say he's got some lights to put in his shop, and so there will be a few more hours that will get put on this before it actually goes to auction. So we're going to say probably 10 to 20 more hours before it actually sells, guys. He is going to do a few more things with it before we sell it, but he wants to get it up on auction and get it sold. So that's what we're going to do. In my other video, guys, you can see where he's running the controls. I'm not going to mess with those, folks. I don't know how to run one of these, and I'm not going to pretend to. But I think you guys can see all the controls that are up here. It's a 4-wheel drive unit, guys. It's got rear wheel steering. And I think you guys saw in the other video, the basket can pivot this way, left and right. It can also tilt up and down as you raise this up and down. That does telescope out, guys. I'll see if I can't find what the maximum capacity is for telescoping length. Good foam-filled tires all the way around, guys. 4 good tires all the way around. Again, the steering wheels are on the back. Now, one of the things Dean pointed out to me, and you see a plug-in right here, you've got the ability to do electric override on your controls. And what Dean and I were wondering is, one, if you're in an area where you can't run the motor, you can plug into electricity and run it electrically. Or if you ran out of fuel and somebody was stuck up in the air, you could still use electrical power to lower it. And it will run off the battery, guys. It doesn't need to be plugged in. It will run off the battery power on the machine itself. So if you were out working somewhere and for some reason, like I said, you ran out of fuel or it died on you, you still have electric control over all of your basket and your lift. But guys, it's a pretty straight little GENIE. We think it's a 2013, folks, based on the serial number. But again, in that other video, guys, you saw the little diesel. It fires right up, and Dean, drove it around and operated it just like he should. So, guys, I'll get it put up on auction time for you. If you have any questions, give me a holler. But he's used it to build his sheds. His neighbors have used it to help build their sheds. They're ready to move on, and he's going to sell it. He did want me to point out there is a new hydraulic motor. I've got a picture of it, a new hydraulic motor on the rotating gear. So that is a new hydraulic motor on that one. Guys, a nice little GENIE lift. If you have any questions, give us a holler.